Today we're diving into a topic that may let down many loyal Samsung enthusiasts. If you were expecting the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to finally deliver a significant battery life upgrade, here's some disappointing news. Yes, that's right. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is reportedly sticking to the same 5,000 mAh battery, continuing the trend we've seen for years. Despite advancements in camera technology, display quality, and AI-powered features, it looks like battery innovation is still lagging behind. Let's break it all down. A credible source known for reliable Samsung leaks has confirmed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will not offer a major battery capacity increase. It's expected to retain the 5,000 mAh rating, and even if there is an increase, it might only reach 5,400 mAh, a minor improvement that doesn't meet users' rising expectations. It feels like Samsung is playing it overly safe. Many believe this cautious approach stems from the Galaxy Note 7 incident years ago. As you may recall, that device suffered from severe battery failures, even causing fires, and was recalled globally. Since then, Samsung has approached battery changes with extreme care, perhaps too much. Meanwhile, other brands, especially Chinese tech giants like Xiaomi and Oppo, are making big strides. Today, we're seeing devices with 6,000 or even 7,000 mAh batteries, using next-gen battery technologies that increase capacity without increasing size. Fast charging speeds are another area where Samsung is falling behind. Based on the same leak, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to stick with 45W wired charging, unchanged from last year. Frankly, that's unimpressive in 2025. Compare it to Chinese phones that offer 100W or even 120W charging, capable of reaching full charge in under 30 minutes. So, why isn't Samsung stepping up? A major reason could be lack of strong competition in the US market. Brands like Xiaomi, Vivo, and Oppo haven't gained much US traction, meaning Samsung doesn't feel as much competitive pressure. And it's not just Samsung. Apple and Google are also focusing more on software enhancements than actual hardware improvements. For instance, Apple is rumored to introduce Apple Intelligence to optimize battery usage via software. But let's be honest, software tricks only go so far. What users truly want is a phone that lasts the entire day on a single charge. Look at the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, which features just a 3,900 mAh battery, a low figure for a premium smartphone in 2025. A Samsung official recently defended this in an interview, saying it supports the phone's design philosophy, but many consumers disagree. What's the point of sleek design if it can't last all day? The same goes for other Samsung models. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 is also expected to include only a 4,400 mAh battery. Again, not ideal for a device with dual displays meant for heavy multitasking and media consumption. Even Apple is rumored to join the slim phone trend with the iPhone 17 Air, but this trend usually leads to reduced battery life. While slim phones may look elegant, they struggle during gaming, video streaming, or extended video calls. So, what does this mean for Samsung Galaxy fans? It means if you were hoping the S26 Ultra would finally escape the 5,000 mAh barrier, prepare to be let down. Yes, it'll still shine in terms of performance, camera, and features, but battery life and charging speed will likely stay the same. So, what's your take? Is a 5,000 mAh battery still enough in 2025, or should Samsung finally deliver the upgrade fans have been requesting? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest news on the Galaxy S26 Ultra and other future smartphones. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.